Last year, we geeked out about Proxima Centauri b, a possibly life-supporting planet 4.2 light-years away. But we should have focused on a discovery even closer to home. In January of 2016, scientists found proof of a new planet orbiting our own sun. Dwarf planets are a dime a dozen. When it comes to real planets, bodies with enough mass to achieve a nearly round shape, clear nearby debris, and orbit the sun, we know of only 8 in our solar system, until now. Over the past century, many astronomers claimed to have caught whiff of an elusive 9th body, sometimes called Planet X. In 1972, scientists examined certain peculiar irregularities in the course of Halley's Comet. They thought that a distant planet's gravitational pull could be to blame. Then in 1982, back when Pluto was our 9th planet, astronomers believed that a 10th planet or star could be spinning through our outer solar system. It might be the culprit causing the orbits of Neptune and Uranus to deviate slightly from what the laws of physics say they should be. But neither study conclusively pointed to the existence of a new planet. Today, the astronomer leading the hunt for Planet X is the California Institute of Technology's Mike Brown, also known as the man who killed Pluto. He has already discovered 16 dwarf planets in the outer solar system, but when it comes to real planets, there's only one new contender. Brown now has a pretty strong case that a planet the size of Neptune is orbiting the Sun 10 to 20 times farther away than Pluto. In 2003, Brown and his team discovered a dwarf planet called Sedna, the farthest object ever seen in our solar system. It possesses an extremely elliptical orbit that takes 10,000 years to make one trip around the Sun. More than a decade later, in 2014, scientists discovered another Sedna-like body called 2012 VP113 that also has an eccentric orbit. Eventually, researchers found 4 more objects with similar lopsided orbits, and they all happen to sweep out in the same direction. Brown noticed another pattern. All 6 bodies lined up in space and moved at different rates in the same direction. He called on Caltech theoretical astrophysicist Konstantin Batygin to calculate the forces at play. After a year of supercomputer simulations, they determined that something massive must be keeping these 6 bodies in line with one another, something with the gravity of a planet 10 times heavier than Earth. That something could be Planet X, but don't confuse it with fictional objects of the same name. Take, for instance, the unscientific prediction known as the Nibiru Cataclysm, which falsely warns that Earth will collide with a celestial object, also called Planet X, sometime in the 21st century. Brown's theory, however, is not science fiction. It checks out, at least mathematically. The team's findings represent the first solid and convincing demonstration that a real planet could create this anomaly. Now, they just need to catch sight of Planet X in the sky. To do that, the team secured time on one of the most powerful telescopes on Earth, the Subaru 8.2-meter telescope atop Mauna Kea in Hawaii. It has already started scanning the skies for anything moving beyond the Kuiper Belt. By publishing the paper now, rather than just searching for Planet X themselves, Brown and Batygin hope to provide a roadmap for anybody to find the new planet and even name it. Consider it open source astronomy. This certainly opens the door for more mischievous scientists to name the new planet Nibiru in order to mess with believers awaiting our planet's celestial collision. Brown and Batygin estimate it could take between 5 and 15 years to find Planet X. And that's okay. They're on a mission to reclaim an original member of our solar system, to find our true 9th planet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to leave us a question for our next Q&A episode.